Here we are at Wayne Leonard's Motorcycles. Today we're going to test ride this beautiful beast. It's 2008 Kawasaki ZX-10R Ninja. It's a 998cc inline 4 liquid cooled. It has 190 horsepower. And puts out 200 horsepower with ram air. Max torque about 113 newton meters of torque. It's a 6-speed transmission, weighs about 200 kilos. It's got a 17 litre fuel tank and a top speed of about 298 kilometers, say 300 or 181 miles per hour. Yeah, so this bike's not a bad price either, about 9 grand. It's only done like 12,000 kilometers on it. Bloody awesome. I must admit, I've always wanted a ZX-10. I've always wanted one, and now I've got a chance to ride one. I'm not liking the seating arrangement. Pegs are up high and you're hunched over the tank. Rather quite cramped. Not used to it, but after time I'll probably get used to it. I've wanted this bike for such a long time. My heart's saying, yeah, it's awesome. It's a ZX10. I want it. I need it. I should buy it. But yeah, for me personally, I don't think I could ride it for too long. I'm starting to get cramped already. But in saying that, it's a very fast bike. It wasn't designed to go touring on. It's a very, very fast super sports. This bike's got all the power you could ever want in the machine. Awesome. So if you're in need of a bike, come down to Wayne Leonard's Motorcycles, I'll help you out. Steve's a great help, he's let me ride these bikes today. So come in and see them, I'm sure they'll make a good deal for you. They'll definitely look after you, great bunch of people they are. So if you like this vid, please subscribe, drop us a comment, leave a like. You have a great day.